everybody, it's Ashley, and I have another Clean With Me video for you today. If you can't tell from where I'm standing, which is literally in the shower, this is a bathroom Clean With Me video. I do not like cleaning the bathroom. I don't think anybody likes cleaning the bathroom. However, we all need to clean the bathroom. So we're getting it done today. I live with 2 roommates and we share this one bathroom. 3 20-something girls with a lot of beauty products and a lot of hair. It is just a space that needs a deep clean, so we are gonna do that today. Hopefully this video will motivate you to maybe clean your own bathroom or another space in your life that needs a good deep clean, or at the very least, it's just satisfying to watch. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments if you have any cleaning hacks, because in the last Clean With Me video, you guys left so many good tips and I have actually been using them. So let me know. I wanna know what you guys think. All right, let's go do it. First, I'll show you what the bathroom looks like at the moment. Not the worst, but it's also not the best. Little fifth seat in the tub. Hi. I just keep like cleaning supplies here. Also, there's some tampons under here. I'm like wondering if that's healthy to have tampons there because there's like cleaning supplies right there. Hi, Fitz. Do you have an opinion on this? No. First thing I'm gonna do is clear out this bathroom. We're taking everything out so that we can clean everything properly. Show you guys, look at this shower curtain ring. I didn't even think that was something I should be washing, but it definitely is. It makes a lot of sense because it's in the shower with a lot of moisture. This and some other stuff is gonna go in the dishwasher, like that caddy thing, these rings, the toothbrush holder. I'm gonna put all of that in the dishwasher as I do the rest of the cleaning. Okay, it's looking pretty good. The hallway isn't looking so good because that's where I dumped all the stuff, but the bathroom's looking pretty good. So now we are gonna scrub and sanitize. That's what I'm calling step 2. When you think about it, this is so gross because this is what you are using to wash your body. And like that just does not look clean at all. now it is time to move on to my favorite part of cleaning, organizing.